Well, before we had digital clocks, a minute verse before that, I think centuries ago we did probably had clocks that could be hung up on the wall. Since we can afford since we can afford since since we can afford a alarm clock with batteries. Probably the worst thing about owning a grandfather clock, I think they tend to fall down if someone is not careful of walking near it, probably. So I guess that was replaced by portable table clocks. Was it? I think that I think that's I think that's replaced by portable table clocks, which is fine with me. Since we probably did have those a long time ago, before I came around. The problem with that is too noisy. On a funny Mr. Bean video, he dumped his portable clock into his water glass. Might as well have to pay for a new clock, probably. During this century, we allowed digital clocks, so it might be a lot easier that way. Or maybe perhaps never a good way to have get a clock is like what my mom has, like a smart watch. It fits on your. It does fit on your wrist. Some smartwatches can tell your heart rate, and probably some modern appliances can tell time too, like microwaves and stuff. Yep. What is a metaverse? I think it probably does talk about certain time periods of modern technology, like for the evolution of the clocks, probably. Yep. Or any other ones. Thanks for watching the evolution of alarm clocks. See ya.